Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some seriously cool gadgets that will blow your mind. From smart monitors to innovative e-bikes, there's something here for everyone. If you're a tech lover or just looking for something new and exciting, stay tuned, because these products will level up your setup, your workouts, and even your lighting. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Also, don't forget to drop a comment below and let us know which gadget you're most excited about. Samsung Smart Monitor M8. First up, let's talk about the Samsung Smart Monitor M8. Now, not all monitors are created equal, my friends. The M8 is a 32-inch 4K UHD beauty from Samsung that will take your visual experience to the next level. It's not just a monitor, it's a complete entertainment hub. Why? Because it's got built-in TV streaming software baked right in. You can literally stream your favorite shows or movies straight from the monitor without the need for extra devices. It also comes with USB-C connectivity and native upscaling, which means it transforms low-definition content to almost 4K quality. And for the gamers out there, you can even game directly on the monitor, no PC or console needed. Slim design, AI-driven features, and minimal adapters, this monitor is perfect for those who want the best of both worlds, whether it's for work or play. Scarper Ebike. Next, we have something really exciting for all the cyclists out there, the Scarper Ebike. And get this, it's not just any e-bike, it's your regular bike transformed into an e-bike with just one click. That's right, no need to carry around a heavy e-bike frame. This is designed for competitive cycling, BMX mountain bikes. Whatever you're riding, Scarper has you covered. Partnering with Red Bull's F1 team, the engineering is top-notch. You can hit max speeds of 25 kilometers per hour, and the whole system weighs just 4.4 kilograms. On a single charge, you're good for up to 50 kilometers. Plus, there are no messy wires. Everything is sleek and enclosed. It's your regular bike, just better. Winsable. Finally, the everyman can see how their model car performs in a wind tunnel. This isn't some high-tech lab either, that you have to book time in to find out if your miniature model car you built is aerodynamic in a mini wind tunnel. You can now own your own mini wind tunnel with Wible. This is a fun-sized compact tunnel that lets you feel like a giant in a mini laboratory. It's not just relegated to cars. You can test any of your miniatures if you own a 3D printer. It's an extra boost of fun to see how your models perform. The Winds has an electric tail light, a fun startup animation, and you can even put in a smoke effect display, letting you visually see the wind moving through winds. Comes in 3 sizes, a 1:18 scale, a 1:24 scale, and for the super small cars, a 1:240 scale, 64 scale Master Hub. Get ready to boost your experience. Master Hub. Up next, if you're into streaming, content creation, or just want a more efficient workflow, check out the Master Hub. This is a modular control system designed to put all your macros right at your fingertips. Imagine controlling your favorite apps like Photoshop, Discord, or Twitch with smooth knobs, sliders, and scroll wheels. Each controller has its own IPS display, so everything is customizable. The Master Hub is perfect for streamers and creators looking to fine-tune their setup, and it works with all the popular apps. It's designed to make your workflow as seamless as possible, whether you're editing videos or managing a live stream. Miro Cam. In today's digital age, it can be tough to stay fully present during meetings with all the distractions we face. That's where the Miro Cam comes in. This little device enhances your virtual communication by making eye contact feel natural again. It's as close as you can get to replicating a face-to-face conversation. Whether you're in a business meeting or vlogging, Miro Cam's plug-and-play setup makes it easy to use straight out of the box. No complicated installations. Just connect it to your Mac or PC and you're good to go. Relo Touchbuds. Feeling nostalgic? The Relo Touchbuds might take you back to the mid-2000s. Think of them as the MP3 player for the modern age. No internet needed, no pesky notifications, just you and your music. With a longer battery life than your smartphone, you can enjoy up to 40 hours of playback time. Plus, it has active noise cancellation and can store up to 1,000 songs. It's perfect for meditation, audiobooks, studying, or just escaping from the noise of everyday life. Clever Tachyon, need more power? The Clever Tachyon charger has you covered. It's a 210-watt powerhouse with 4 USB PD 3.0 ports, and you can even adjust the charging speed for each port. Whether you're charging laptops, Apple devices, or Galaxy phones, this charger has the juice. The LCD display lets you monitor everything, and with GAN2 technology, you don't have to worry about current leakage. Gogo Floor Lamp Pro. Lighting can change everything, and the Gogo Floor Lamp Pro is here to take your home's lighting into the future. With RGBIW technology, you get a full spectrum of vibrant colors to match any mood. The lamp even syncs with your music to create dynamic light shows. You can control it with your voice or the Gogo app, and with 58 presets and 16 million colors, the possibilities are endless. Cooler Master Hybrid M. For those who spend long hours at a desk, meet the Cooler Master Hybrid M chair. Not only does it offer incredible comfort with memory foam and adjustable support, but it also has a built-in massage function. Control your massage with the armrest joystick or the app and enjoy airflow technology that keeps you cool throughout the day. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to relaxation. Voltra I. Last but not least, fitness enthusiasts will love the Voltra I cable machine. This portable, handheld cable machine gives you 200 pounds of resistance and is perfect for a full-body workout anywhere you go. It's even carry-on compatible for flights. Track your progress with the built-in display and get your workout in whether you're at home or on the go. Conclusion. And there you have it. Some of the coolest tech products that will upgrade your life in more ways than one. Let me know in the comments which gadget you're most excited about. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your fellow tech lovers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.